We're going to a super secret private spot that nobody can get to but us.
Because your family owns it.
Because
so-
some of my family owns it, that's right. It's super private. But
Am
there's
I-
been known to be pirates on the river. Do you know any pirate jokes? What's a pirate's favorite letter? R. Ah, you thought it was an R, but it's really the C. So, do you want me to be the gate man, or are you going to be the gate man?
Wait, who holds it down?
Who's got to open it? Oh, it's already open. They must have left it open for us, or they might be here checking their cows. You want to talk to the cows, any?
No, I've never been near a cow.
You want to get out and pet him?
No.
Okay, all right. Hello, Mr. Charles. How y'all doing? Good, buddy. How are you? Thank you for letting us come in. All right, remember, don't step in the big brown piles like that.
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer. That's the proper way to call it. Now, you want to be real careful here because it can be slick, and we also want to watch out for
Snakes.
You ready to pick the lure?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent choice. What is that?
It says Hedden Tiny Torpedo.
Torpedo. That is a Hedden Tiny Torpedo. And I used to fish for that exact bait here about 25 years ago. So let's watch this right here. So we're gonna put that line through that eye, okay? And we're gonna hold it like this. We're gonna make a loop. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. We're gonna take this tip. We're gonna go back through the loop like that. Then we're gonna pull it tight. And then we're gonna clip that tag end off. And that is the best knot you can possibly get. You gotta sneak up on them. See how clear the water is? Those fish can see us here. So we gotta be real sneaky quiet. Oh, good cat. Okay, hold on. Don't click your bell. Let your bell go, and then watch. See how the stream's gonna carry your bait down. So let's just let it keep going. Just let it keep going. It's gonna get your bait way down there where it needs to be. Yeah, okay, now click your bell. Okay, now let's try to work it like this. Instead of pulling up, let's go like that. Now reel a little bit. Go sideways. Yeah. Perfect. A little bit. There he is. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, hold up. You got him. What do we got? Oh, yes. Oh, big old brownie. Holy smokes. All right, let him fight a little bit. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Ah. Oh, yeah, he's good. Okay, stop reeling. Bring him right over here to the bank. Bring him right over here. Yes.
Oh.
The torpedo strikes again.
What is it?
This is a smallmouth.
Oh, yeah. I know smallmouth.
You know smallmouth? Yes. And
Is it going to be easier to control? Because he looks pretty strong.
He is super strong. These fish are super strong. So you want to grab him? Just lip him right here. Pinch him hard. You got it? There you go. And he's out. Fish number 1. Give me 5.
That was
Yes.